my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So we are in my bathroom, which can mean only one thing: we're doing skincare today. So in today's video, which is a highly requested video, you guys wanted to see my skincare routine and I decided to show it you today because I'm feeling a little bit lazy and my brush has been cleaning, and I thought, well, I've just finished work. This is why I'm looking like a hot mess at the minute. I don't always look like this, and I just thought I would show you guys step by step skincare. I am going to also put in a few little extras, what I normally do once, probably 3 times a week. I have got on the trend of shaving my face, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that in this video as well. So if you are new to my channel, my name's Tara. I post 2 videos a week and I do beauty and makeup tutorial kind of things on my channel. So if that's something that you find interesting, then please by all means hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and become part of the family. And yeah, so we're going to just jump straight into this because this intro is going to be like a million years long. It's the Garnier MICELLAR, the Milky Cleansing Water. And this is about $5.99 from Boots. You can also get it in Asda, Tesco's, places like that. So what I normally do is take a cotton round and just pop some of this on and take off my makeup. I'm going to go in with this scrub. It's a charcoal deep cleansing scrub. It unblocks your pores, exfoliates the skin and removes impurities, and I've been absolutely loving this. I've got this from Home Bargains for $1.99, so I'm just going to quickly do that now. Want to pat dry your skin because you don't want any early aging. Now, I have jumped on to the bandwagon of shaving my face. This is absolutely amazing. It's dermablading, I think it's called, or something like that. Anyway, I have no clue. But it's really good for your skin, and your foundation literally glides onto your skin because you're taking the peach fuzz and you're taking that dead layer of skin off. So I'm just going to go and do this, and I got these from TJ Maxx in America, and they were $3.99 and they're called Elite. So I'm just going to do that. And obviously these are blades, so if you are going to do this, please, if you are under 16, please do not do this unless you are supervised by an adult. So if you're under 16, I would say don't do this at all. It is a razor after all, and you know, have parents' permission or whatever if you do, but I do not condone this. I'm not saying go and shave your face because I would not let my teenage daughter shave her face. But yeah, these are very dangerous and you could cut your skin, so please be very careful if you are going to be shaving your face. But I'm not promoting at all that you shave your face. I just do this because I like the after effect. But that's my own personal opinion. I am not saying please do not go out there and shave your face. Just putting it out there. The next product that I absolutely have been loving just lately is the Lacura, or is it Lacura? I think it's pronounced Lacura from Aldi, and it's their Healthy Glow Glycolic Toner. This is definitely a dupe for the Pixi Glow Tonic. I've never tried the Pixi Glow Tonic, but looking at the packaging, it looks exactly the same. I will eventually try the Pixi, but I'm saving up for Pride at the moment, so I'm trying not to buy any new products, but I will definitely try it once I've been to Pride and done that. So this is the Lacura Healthy Glow Glycolic Toner. It's exfoliating toner. It's got 5% glycolic acid. It's got aloe vera and ginseng in it, which is really, really good for your skin. If you have problematic skin, like acne prone skin, you're partial to the occasional zit or spot or anything like that, then glycolic acid and ginseng is absolutely amazing. I do have acne scarring on my face, and I found that it's actually helped with my scarring, so that is absolutely amazing in my opinion. So I'm going to be using this, and I use it with a cotton round and just go around my face, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So the next thing that I will jump in with is this charcoal. It's from the same brand, I can't pronounce it, so I'm just going to pop it up here. All the products that I've used today will be linked in the down bar below. So this is a charcoal detoxifying clay mask for purified and clear, to purify and clear your skin. So it draws out the dirt, it absorbs the excess oils, and it deep cleans the skin. And I've been loving this. I use it 2 or 3 times a week, and it's amazing. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So I'm just going to rub that all over the face. This does like have a little tingling effect, but that, to me, in my opinion, tells you that the mask is working. It's drawing out all your toxins and all the dirt out of your skin. So it just lets me know that it's working because it's really tingly. I'm going to leave this mask on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to jump in the shower while it's on, and I will see you guys when I'm about to wash it off. So I'll be right back for you. It'll be 2 seconds. For me, it'll be about 5-10 minutes. So I've literally just got out of the shower. I put my PJs on because I like to be comfortable. And I'm just going to wash this off. So I'm going to do that now. And as you can tell, it like brings out all of the gunk and the nasties that are in. So we're up close and personal. And it's brought out all the gunk, so it's really good for your skin. And that product's only $1.99 or 99p, I can't remember. I think it actually was 99p, and it's really, really good stuff. So it doesn't actually say what brand they're from, but they're in Home Bargains, and they're 69p, and they're so cute, and they work amazing. So I'm just going to put one of these on.
Oh my gosh. No.
So I've just got to keep this on for about 15 minutes. Be a couple of seconds for you guys, but 15 minutes for me. I'm just gonna go and chill for about 10 or 15 minutes. Probably catch up on last night's Love Island. Michael, that's all I've got to say. You are not being nice to Amber right now. Amber is like my favourite Love Islander. The Islander. I love Amber. Obi, I absolutely love Obi. He is amazing. I think Maura got what she wanted. I can't take myself seriously with this mask on. Who else? I think Belle and Anton are just in it for the game now, because they really had that big argument, and I don't think that's going anywhere, to be honest. And Molly and Tommy are my favourite. I absolutely love them. I'm rooting for them to win. but I think Michael should have just left. If that's the way he felt, and he felt that he had everything with Georgianne, then he should have just left, in my opinion. So on that note, I'll be back in about 10 or 15 minutes, guys, and we'll just have a little rundown on what my skincare routine is. So time to take this off, and Love Island, it's all full of drama and I love it. So let's take this off. It's so satisfying. I like to just rub in all the excess of the mask into my skin, because I just feel like it does a bit extra. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does, maybe it's a conspiracy, but I like to do it. So, what I've been absolutely loving, and I've been using this for a few months now, and it's the Pearlescence Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Facial Serum. I got this from TK Maxx a few months ago, and I've been loving it, and it really gives you that glow from within. If I can get these off. So it gives you that really glow from within, and I just love really glowy skin. So to have that naturally is amazing, and it's almost run out. So I'm hoping that I can get some more, because the only thing is with TK Maxx is sometimes you can't get more of the products. It's like a one-off. So that's the only downside to TK Maxx. So like they get a big shipment of things in, and then they all go, and then they don't get them back. So, but I'm sure I'll find something else that's the equivalent. So if you're a regular, don't mind me, I've just got my bra hanging on the back of my door. So if you're a regular to my channel, then you will know that I've been absolutely loving this Christian BRETON eye gel. It's the anti-fatigue one, and it is absolutely amazing. It has done wonders for my eyes. I get really bad under eye bags and under eye creasing since I've used this little eye gel, and it is from TK Maxx. I love all my beauty products from there because they're so affordable. You can get them for like $4.99. This was, I think, £1.50, and I've been absolutely loving it. I love looking at the red labels also in TK Maxx. I am a bargain queen, so if I can get it you for a little bit cheaper and show you that it's good, then it's all good. So I like to put this on my little middle finger, because apparently it's like the weak finger, and you're not putting too much pressure on the eye because you don't want it to crease and get wrinkles. So we're trying to prevent that. The last thing that I'm going to be doing, and this is optional, I just do it because I've got really dry skin and it is really hot here in the UK at the minute. We're actually experiencing summer, so I'm going to be using my Refreshing Cool Facial Mist. This is from the travel shop at not TK Maxx, Tara, get that out of your head. This is from the Home Bargains shop, and it's got vitamin E in it, and it's got vitamin E in this, and it's really good for your skin. It's just an instant cooling mist basically, but I have dry skin, so I think the more moisture I put in, the better. So I'm just going to spritz this. It makes you feel so nice and fresh. I'm just going to rub that in. For the micellar water, I use this in the evening, in my evening skincare routine, to take off my makeup. I use this one twice a day, which is the Healthy Glow Glycolic Toner. I use this morning and night in my skincare routine. I use this every single morning and every single night to give me that instant hydration. If I'm having a day where I don't wear makeup, then I will just literally spritz this on my face, and if you put it in the fridge when it's really hot weather, oh my god, it just feels amazing. The charcoal scrub I will use twice a day, morning and night, and I've just found that it really cleans my skin, and this is really, really good. And like I say, I can't pronounce the name, so all the products will be linked down in the down bar. The clay mask I will probably use 2 or 3 times a week, because you just don't want to overdo it with your masks, because it can do more harm than good apparently. So I just follow the rules and I just do it 2 or 3 times a week. Same goes with the sheet masks. I do those 2 or 3 times a week. Sometimes I like to listen to meditation music when I've got these on, just to really chill out, zen myself out and find that little bit of a space where I'm not thinking about too much or anything, to be honest. For the shavers, I will use these once a month, because that's all you really need to do. But like I say, if you are under the age of 16, I would strongly recommend not shaving your face, and I'm not promoting that you shave your face by doing this video in the slightest. So that's just that little bit of guidance. Oh, little bit of thing there. I've got a teenage daughter and I would definitely not let her shave her face whatsoever. And the vitamin C so the vitamin C serum, I will use this morning and night, and I'm running out of it, so I need to go and see in TK Maxx whether they've got any of this, but I can't buy anything at the moment because I'm saving all my money to go to Pride, which is next month, 38 days in counting. I will do a prep with me for Pride and show you what I'm taking, so I'll show you like all those kind of things. I might do that in like a vlog style. I am going to try and vlog Pride. Give me a thumbs up if you really want me to do that. I'm really terrified because I've not actually done a proper vlog video as yet, and I'm really nervous. I look confident in front of the camera, but it's just me and the camera, and that's it. But when I'm out and with my friends, I mean, they're fine with it. Probably not want to be on camera, but that's perfectly fine, that's up to them. But it will be the first time I've ever properly vlogged. So I'm looking forward to it, but I'm really nervous. Stop yabbering on, we're talking about skincare, So the eye gel, I will use this morning and night. And that's basically it, guys. That is, in a nutshell, that is my skincare routine. And I'm a creature of habit, so I will stick to products that work for me. And if I find that they work for me, then I definitely will be sharing them with you guys. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Helps you go out a lot, helps out the channel. And I love you all, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Stay beautiful and bye.